Are you tired of outdated physical menus in your cafe or restaurant? Imagine your customers effortlessly scanning a QR code to view your menu instantly. Many small businesses struggle with visibility and customer engagement. But there's a simple solution: QR codes can elevate your business to new heights. QR codes increase brand awareness, drive customer feedback, and enhance customer engagement all in one. They help you stand out from the competition by offering a modern, hassle-free experience. Picture a hungry customer entering your cafe, glancing at a QR code on their table. They scan it, and instantly, your menu appears on their phone. Every scan tells a story of increased sales and happier customers. QR codes have transformed countless small businesses by bridging the gap between digital and physical. When you implement QR codes correctly, you're not just adapting, you're thriving. QR codes offer real-time updates without extra costs and physical reprints too. Experience the ease of sharing your offers, collecting feedback, or launching loyalty programs with just a simple scan. Ready to revolutionize your cafe? Don't wait too long, get started with QR codes today. Visit Uniqode to learn how to create your QR code now.